something of a career as a different sort of singer, but when he became a folk singer, as we best know him, he was kind of helped along on his way by Ian and Sylvia. Ian Tyson.
It's not going to, you're just going to have to hold it.
Great.
Okay. Ian Tyson died last December, and this is his most famous song. He recorded a couple of Gordon's songs that really kind of helped his career get going. Early Morning Rain and For Love and Me.
Nice.
On the fourth album that Ian and Sylvia did together. Much later on, one of his last albums, Gordon finally got around to recording one of Ian's songs. But anyway, here's Ian's most famous song. Ian died last December. Gordon died, what, about April or so?
Yeah. What's the song called?
What's the song called?
Oh, it's called Four Strong Winds. Well, some people know it because it's Neil Young, but there's an interesting story about that, but I won't tell you anymore. What I wanted to say though, if we're losing J-Mo till January, are we going to be losing Famous Maven too? Do you have any reason to
Maven?
Yeah.
Why would Maven be leaving?
Doesn't he just come to see J-Mo? Anyway.
He comes here just to see J-Mo?
You've broken Nick.
What the hell? You know? I break everything I touch. Great. No, don't worry about it.
Winds that blow on me, seven seas that run high. My harmonica, right? All those things that don't change come what may, but our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'm never back this way. Think I'll go out to Alberta, weather's good there in the fall. Got some friends that I can go to working for.
Anyways.
Still, I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through that so many times before. Oh, strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high. Oh, those things that don't change come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'm never back this way. If I get there before the snow flies and things are looking good, you could meet me if I sent you down the flare. But by then it would be winter, there's not much for you to do. And the wind sure can go cold, well there. Or a strong wind that blows lonely, seven seas
setting seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. On our good